Hello, Seasonal Vantage Insiders, Alex here. So today's date, it is the 27th of January. Okay, doing this video at about 3 p.m. So right now, today, it is the eve of Chinese New Year Eve. Okay, so we are heading to Chinese New Year in just 2 days time. So just want to wish you a very good, Chinese New Year. Okay, 祝你恭喜发财，身体健康. Okay, a very quick one over there. And yeah, of course, I think before I go into today's, stocks watch list and such, okay, I think today's news is kind of rocked the market when the futures market opened today because of the Chinese AI, okay, DeepSeek, okay. They are saying that, they are able to launch as good AI as good as ChatGPT, but at only a fraction of the cost of ChatGPT, about 1/10 of the cost of ChatGPT. So can reduce the cost by 90 to 95%. Okay, so this caused a shockwave into the US market and also, of course, the tech company, especially Nvidia, because they're thinking that whether for the past how many 1 or 2 years, okay, they have been overvaluating this AI company and overvaluation. Okay, if the Chinese company DeepSeek, okay, can create an AI as good as OpenAI and all this, right? Okay, the so-called the market actually doesn't need Nvidia so-called advanced chips and such. That will cause a revaluation of all these AI and all these chips company, okay, and that might cause a correction on all these companies. So as of I'm doing this video right now, okay, the US indices futures, okay, is dropping quite hard. So the Nasdaq futures is dropping right now minus 2.4%. S&P futures drop about 1.41%. Okay, Nasdaq futures drop about minus 0.8%, and the Russell 2000 drop about 1.10%. So if nothing changes, right, tonight, of course, the market, the US indices will get down. Okay, all right. So let's head over to the calendar first. Okay, so what is happening this week? Okay, so besides the AI DeepSeek causing some so-called wave in the US market, right? Okay, for this coming week, there is also the key news will be the FOMC meeting. Okay, the statement where they will be announcing whether there'll be rate cuts and such. Okay, of course, based on what is given right now, okay, most likely there won't be any rate cut, okay, this coming Wednesday, Singapore time midnight. Okay, after that is Thursday early morning at about 3 a.m. Okay, but of course, after Trump has become the president, he actually, so-called wanted, okay, the Fed to reduce the interest rate, okay, as soon as possible. So this is like fighting with, Jerome Powell for power. Okay, Jerome Powell for power. Okay, so I'm not sure how Jerome Powell will handle this. I don't think he will just listen to Trump like this and immediately reduce the rate. Okay, not for now, but that might cause some so-called shockwave in the market also, as in, might cause some news okay, I mean that some action in the stock market indices as well. So this on Thursday, that could be also a price mover this coming midnight Wednesday as well. Okay, all right, so let's head back to the past week, last week. So what did I mention about last week? So last week was the replay of the live. So last week I mentioned on the 20th of January. So I talked a few things over there. So for gold, okay. So for gold, let me share this one over here. So for gold, right? So I actually mentioned that I exited my gold position. I entered using GLD ETF lah. Okay, so I already exited gold. So the reason why I actually exited it is because based on my 2-day time frame, okay, it is showing a potential star reversal signal lah. So I'm just thinking just exit when I have some decent profit lah. So because it is a position trade, so my size is a little bit bigger. So okay for me, so I decided to exit. Okay, all right. So there'll always be new things to trade. So I'm not worried about whether I cash or not, whether I can catch more of the uptrend or not. It is fine. But I think there could be still more upside to gold, but I've decided to exit for gold. Okay. This one I really exited already. Okay. So for last week, right? Okay, bonds. Okay. For TLT, right now it is the treasury bonds. No, this is the ETF. I want to show you the live treasury bonds futures. This is a ZB. Okay, it is showing good sign that it's going up today as of now. Okay, after that, when I first mentioned it's about here, pull back then go higher. I think there could be some more upside until maybe about early Feb lah. But I think for now I won't be entering bonds for now lah. Okay, all right. So it is heading higher lah. Okay, all right. So not only that, okay. So for the watch list, okay, I actually entered CP, I think on Monday, last Monday. So I entered CP. Okay, this is the Canadian Pacific Kansas City. Yeah, so I also mentioned in this, okay, over here, I exited with a 1.5R profit over there lah. Okay, I actually also entered CarMax, I think at the end of the week. Okay, so it is right now also doing quite okay. All right, KMX is CarMax. KMX is CarMax. Okay, it is, yep, after that I entered. Okay, not exactly at the high on this bar, but you know, I think the middle over there. So it's still showing about, right now it's about 1R profit. But I think tonight, I think if nothing changes, a lot of these stocks will also get down or come down. So we shall see how it goes. Okay, so we don't know what's going to hit the market. So we can only, they only manage, sorry, choke. We can only manage our risk. Okay, so there's always external news factors, influence that can suddenly, okay, make the market, you know, do some correction or whatever it is. Okay, we can't always anticipate what could happen. We can only manage our risk. Okay, so personally I have CarMax for now. Okay, for the rest of the position, okay, eBay I got stop out. I think that is fine. Okay, actually this is covered by CP plus 1.5R profit. Okay, net I still get 0.5R for now. Okay, in fact, Salesforce and CME I have also entered right now. It is still okay. I think CME it is about 1R profit as well. I think Salesforce, I think it's about, I forgot, I think it's break even or what. But overall, it is still positive for now. I mean, I don't know what happened when tonight the market opened. But right now, I think the position for last week, it is still pretty all quite okay for now. Okay, especially these are very quick, very fast position exited already. Okay, so for this coming week, okay, oh yeah, tonight there'll be the usual live stream as well at 10:30 p.m. on MarketWise, Facebook, and also YouTube. So for more of the macro views and updates, okay, and regarding, okay, DeepSeek and other things, right, I will talk more about tonight. Okay, so for this so-called weekly video, I'll just focus on so-called the stock ideas and watch list. Okay, all right. So for the S&P cash index, right, cash index SPX, okay, the zero gamma level, okay, if you go to spot gamma, it is about 6,001 level. Okay, 6,001. So it went higher. So once again, if price can stay and hover above 6.1, then I think the market, you know, should be pretty fine. But you know, but don't be surprised after so-called many days of rally. Okay, there is a pullback. Not surprisingly, I mean, this is also could be a reason, okay, a convenient reason, okay, for the market to have a pullback. You know, they can just say that, oh, because of the AI DeepSeek is causing a ruckus in the market and such. Okay, I think it's a convenient reason. But personally, okay, I think I won't talk so much about the AI. But after using a bit of general DeepSeek, I think, okay, OpenAI, ChatGPT, okay, the response, the answer from OpenAI, it is still better than DeepSeek. So I think right now, this DeepSeek is a bit overrated right now. Okay, but nevertheless, this is a convenient reason for the market to have a sell-off if there is a sell-off for the next few days or so. Okay, so not surprisingly, and this is especially good, okay, in the recent days or what, okay, the tech company will announce their earnings. So it's good that they come a little bit first, okay, before they rally again, if they are going to rally, okay, at least some correction, because this is a very good, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 1 week of rally, okay, need some pullback. So it's a good time to have a pullback as well, okay. All right, so this is for the S&P cash index over there. And for this coming week, okay, this coming week, okay, this coming week, it is actually, okay, if you base on the calendar, it is from the 26th, okay, Sunday to Sunday 26th, okay, until 2nd of February, okay, until 2nd of February over there, okay. It's actually Sunday to Sunday 2nd, but of course, Saturday and Sunday, the market is not open, so I shall just do from 26th to 31st of January, okay, for this week, okay. And if you look at the data sheet, 1st and 2nd Feb, there is nothing, okay. So just 26th to 31st. So if you go to the data sheet over there, I have already filtered for the bullish stocks, okay. All right, so from 26, so 27, 28, 29, 30th, 31st. Okay, same for the ETF, I already filtered. So for this week, just based on this week, okay, so-called selection, right? Okay, there are quite a number of stocks, there are quite a number of stocks. So if you take a look at the ETF, right, okay, you can see that a number of sectors and industry on the US are doing quite okay. Okay, in fact, the finance company, like not just insurance, okay, in fact, the you can take some hint from here. The insurance, the regional banks, KRE is also not too bad, okay, in for this coming week, okay, and not also need that the semicon, okay, building construction, okay, can see a lot of semicon, okay, and then steel, okay, steel ETF. What else? Okay, semicon. Okay, in fact, like mid cap, small cap, okay, are doing quite okay. Technology. Overall, you can see that it is telling us that based on seasonal data, by right, okay, this week should be a pretty good week, okay, in general for the indices, the small cap, mid cap, all these are doing quite okay. Even for like discretionary and all these are doing quite okay. Okay, value, all this. Okay, so the ETF, as I mentioned, can give you a broad eye, bird's eye view of what's happening in the market. So all in all, okay, materials, okay, it's also not too bad. Okay, for the dollar index, okay, at the end of the month to, okay, it is quite a number of window, quite a bit of window over there, window period, okay, about 1 month plus, okay, it is actually bullish for the dollar index over here. Okay, all right. So for this coming week, okay, for now, I only have 3 stocks in mind, okay. So the number one stocks, okay, that I have right now, it is RS. This is Reliance. Reliance is actually dealing with steel. You can see over here from the data sheet, right? SLX steel, it is actually doing not too bad, right? Still 31st Jan to 19th Feb. Okay, for the past 11 years, 10 years it went up. Okay, average profit percentage is 5% over there. So Reliance is a mining company that deal with steel. Okay, you can see that earnings are still a little bit far away, still okay. So you can see that previously it was in a very sharp impulse downside move over here and then go up. Right now it is above the CPR level, some 2 days of pullback and then go a bit higher again. So you can see that there is actually a wash and rinse pattern over there triggered. So you can see that this is the day on Wednesday where price closed lower than the previous day low. The previous day low, it is 290.47. 290.47. Okay. And then on Friday, price actually closed above 290.47. Okay, let's see whether this coming week, okay, Reliance RS can continue to hit higher or not. But this is RS. Okay, another one, in fact the other two that I have is actually regional banks. So let's see which one will do better. Okay, the one that I have in the watch list is actually Webster's, WBS, Webster's Financial Corporation. Okay, so if you go to the data sheet over there, if you search WBS, okay, Webster Financial Corporation, 31st Jan to 21st Feb. For the past 10 years, 9 years, it went up. Average profit about 5%. Okay, Webster's Financial Corp. This is a regional bank. Okay, savings banks. Okay, so once again, it is actually doing quite okay. Okay, there's a up, down, overall in uptrend. You can see over there. Okay, right now price has gone back above the CPR and coming back down for pullback to retest the upper range of the CPR level. So you can see here that, okay, price actually closed lower than the previous day low on the Thursday. So this previous day low, it is actually 58.96. 58.96. Okay, I think closing 58. Yeah, on Friday, it just closed one tick above this wash line at 58.97. So in fact, there is a trigger on a Friday. Okay, so let's see whether this coming week, okay, WBS can continue to go higher or not. This is a Webster's Financial Corporation. The other one that I have, okay, in my watch list, BANC. This is also a bank, a regional bank. This is Bank of California, a smaller bank now. Okay, once again, price action pretty much similar. So you can see they go up, then there's a complex pullback in a way that go up, two-legged move and come down again and then go higher. So this is something I prefer better. So a two-legged move will actually stop out some people, okay, and before going higher again. Okay, so this is a Bank of California. Once again, there is a wash and rinse trigger. So on Thursday, price closed lower than the previous day low. The previous day low, it is actually 15.94. 15.94. Okay, and then on Friday, price closed higher than the wash line. So let's see whether this week price can go higher. Okay, so all in all, the three companies that I'm watching out only for these three for now, okay, based on the screening that I have. Okay, it is RS, Reliance, okay, WBS, okay, Webster's, and also BANC, Bank of California. Okay, so with that, thank you for watching. So tonight there will be the Facebook Live, okay, before we go for the Chinese New Year break. So tonight, see you again at 10:30 p.m. on Facebook Live and also on YouTube as well. So thanks so much, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.